viewers. My name is Lillian Peter. It's always a pleasure to have you as my viewer on this show, and whoever will come across this program, it's always my pleasure and my joy. I'm really excited. I want to believe you're doing fine, you're doing okay, despite or in spite of the situation of the COVID-19 pandemic. We are still strong in the Lord because we draw our strength from God. So we are quite excited, and today, hey, ladies, we are ladies and daughters of God, daughters of Zion, and whoever you are a lady and you're watching this evening, I come with a question, and this time I come with a question to you to ask you, what exactly is your value? Where do you draw your value from? Yeah, so where do you draw your value from? Is it from people? Is it from your peer pressure? Is it by comments that you receive daily? I don't know, but it's quite exciting because sometimes we are weighed down by what people tells us, or they talk about us, or they relate to us, or they speak something concerning us that we really don't like, and maybe it really lowers, or we feel like it doesn't lower, but we feel like it's lowered. But tonight, or this time, I would like to share with you something that's really is exciting to my heart and my spirit and my soul as well. And comes from the book of 1 Peter chapter 3 and verse 4. You know, as every lady, every woman, every girl, everyone want to look nice, which is okay, which is perfect, well and good. And I would like to say that that's not exactly like what exactly draws or brings out our value or the value in us. So I take you to 1 Peter chapter 3 and verse 3 and 4. We're gonna read two verses, one from the Living Bible translation, and the Bible says, "Don't be concerned about the outward beauty that depends on jewelry or beautiful clothes or hair arrangement. Don't really let that not be your main concern. Let that not be your main focus." And it's exciting because verse 4 tells us, "Be beautiful inside." Wow, in your hearts. So be beautiful inside in your heart, because your face reflects your heart. What we can see from outside is a reflection of what is inside of you. It's a reflection of your heart. So it says, be beautiful inside. Our major and our main focus should be on the inside of me, in the inside of my heart, because out of the heart is where the issues of life flow. Out of my heart is where matters to deal with life, relationship, family, business, my work, my job. Everything flows from my heart. I am good at my work because it's inside of me to be good at it. So it flows from my heart. I am good at maybe in my relationships because I know it's working from my heart. So it's beautiful from my heart. So I beautify my outside world from the beauty in my heart. So be beautiful inside, in your heart, with the lasting charm of a gentle and quiet spirit. A gentle and a quiet spirit that is so precious to God. Wow. So verse 5 says, that's kind of deep beauty. Wow, this is not just beauty. This is not the normal beauty. I like the way the Bible takes it. It's a deep beauty. It's something admirable. It's something to be cherished. It's something treasurable. It's something that is awesome. It's wow. If that's the word to use, it's wow. That kind of deep beauty was seen in the saintly women of old who trusted God and fitted in their husband's plans. So my key verse is verse 4 that says, be beautiful inside in your hearts. Your heart, beautify your heart with a calm and a quiet spirit. With that, it's so precious before God. Focus on the beauty that is in your heart, not the outward. It's good to look good. It's good to have expensive jewelry, nice arrangement of your hair, expensive clothes, which is very nice. It's okay, perfect, but let that not be your focus. Yes, the Passion Translation tells us, let your true beauty come from your inner personality, not a focus on the external. Why? Because the external fades away. The external fades. It fades. in the book of Proverbs says, a woman, the beauty fades, charm is deceitful and beauty is in vain because it fades away. But a woman who fears the Lord shall be praised. Why? Focus not on the Bible is telling us don't focus on the external, because the external fades. Yes, it doesn't mean neglect it, doesn't mean do without it. No, yes, do with it, have it, but let it not be your main focus. Your main focus should be on the inner you. Let your true beauty come from your inner personality, not a focus on the external. For lasting, I love this, for lasting beauty, it's something that lasts. So for lasting beauty comes from a gentle and a peaceful spirit. It means I need to work out on my spirit.